Hello, and welcome to Fun Views Tutorials. My name is Dave, and today is a little bit different from the usual step-by-step tutorials I've put up previously. Today, I actually ended up recording me creating this little Halloween canvas on the cuff. I just saw the canvas, I saw some paints, I got inspired, and I wanted to do something with a pumpkin and a little bit of a silhouette. So today, it's just nice and easy. There's no talking or me talking too much. It is just you watching me paint. I hope you enjoy it. I know it's a little bit different, but leave me a comment down below if you like this, if you want to see more of something like this. Enjoy the video. And there you have it, my end result. I hope you grabbed those paints and paintbrush, and I hope you came up with your own little Halloween scene like I have here today. I had a lot of fun, and if you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button, that subscribe button, and that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video, which is usually every Thursday at 5 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Thank you for watching. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.